Latin American here. Ooh, like Ricky Martin. Tall, handsome, rich. So, when is he coming?
Oh, let me see. It says November the 5th.
Oh, November the 5th. But that's today.
Oh, it's you, Nick.
Hi, babes.
Hello, Nick. How are you?
Great. Nice muscles. Here's your milk.
Our milk? You mean our milk you borrowed 3 weeks ago?
Oh, thanks, Nick.
I forget nothing.
Would you like a drink, Nick? Would you like a drink, Nick?
Uh-huh.
I said, would you like a drink, Nick?
Oh, sorry. No thanks.
Oh, Bridget's friend is coming.
Oh, yeah?
Uh-huh, from Argentina.
Wow. From Argentina. What's she like?
She is a he.
Huh?
Not a girl, a boy.
Oh. Tough guy, eh? Why don't I show you how to do it properly?
Nick, I've told you before, nobody uses my bike, nobody. Is that clear?
Why not?
Why not? If you touch my bike again, you are out. O-U-T out. Clear?
What?
I said...
Hello.
Hello.
I am called Argentina. I am from Hector.
You mean I am called Hector?
You are called Hector?
Oh, no. I am called Annie.
I am called Annie.
No, she means I am called Hector. I am from Argentina.
You are from Argentina.
Oh, come in.
Hi, Nadia. Bridget's pen pal arrived this morning.
Hello.
He is... strange.
Hi, babes.
Hello, Nick. Oh, and Nick from next door is so funny. He brought our milk back from 3 weeks ago.
I forget nothing.
Chrissy, Nick is so stupid. He touched my bike. Men.
Nobody uses my bike, nobody. Is that clear?
Why not?
Why not?
Also, Hector is here from Argentina. His English is not very good.
I am called Argentina. I am from Hector.